Hey everyone, this is Shara and Happy New Year. If you're watching this, I know that you might already set a goal or you might be confused on how to set a goal. I'm here to help you to review and reflect your 2019 before you set a goal for 2020. And I know a lot of us might think that we have not accomplished a lot for the past years. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to reflect and to review your past years. We're not going to focus only on to our 2019 accomplishments, but also we're going to look back on how far we have come this year. And right now, I want you to get a notebook and a pen of which you like, and I want you to write on your first page on what are your accomplishments for the past years. As much as possible, you have to review and reflect back on the past accomplishments that you have made. And it is so important to acknowledge our accomplishments, because with all of these accomplishments, we will be more aware of what our abilities, our skills, and what are the things that we have already offered to the people and how much we improved ourselves. After writing all the accomplishments from the past years, just take your time to write all of this. If you were not able to write all of these things while watching this video, allow yourself to have a time in a place that it is silent and you're alone, and allows you to really have the time to really reflect. And now we're going to the second part, which is you write down all the things that you feel like among the accomplishments you feel that you are most proud of, where you feel like I am on fire when I'm doing this, or I am on fire and I'm so proud and happy that I was able to accomplish this thing, regardless if this is a accomplishment from your company or from when you're a student, or this is something that you have accomplished internally. So you might have accomplishments internal and external, and just write down what you're most proud of. That is something that really resonates with you and you feel that this is such a huge accomplishment, regardless if it is small or big. The third part is the self-assessment. So in this part, you're going to write the things that you need to address, or the things that you are currently struggling with, that are the issues and concerns that you're facing, and you want to improve this part, or you want to address these needs. So I want you to categorize it with different aspects in your life. For instance, I wrote down health, finances, business, career, leisure, relationship. So those are the categories that I've written about the things that I need to address in my life. It's up to you what aspect of your life that you want to address. As much as possible, write down all the things that are needed to address in your life, because we don't have a perfect life. We always face challenges along the way, so let's write it down. For instance, for me in 2019 and for the past years, I could say that in 2019 I'm struggling with lack of sleep, because I'm a mother now, and as a first-time mother, you're more likely to have less sleep. And I've also encountered last year, I've experienced burnout at my work, which leads me to forgetting to take good care of myself and working a lot. And those are the things that I need to address. I've written a long list, but those are the samples that I've shared to you. And another example is from my business. If you follow me, or if you've watched my other YouTube channel videos, I started my business just this June, and I've learned a lot in the process, and it's crazy to set a goal that I've forgotten to also to take good care of myself. That really affects my health. So that's why those are the examples that you need to address. and you have to evaluate what are the things that you need to address to yourself. And now, after writing all the things that you need to address in a specific category, you have to rate it from 1 to 10, which is 1 is the lowest score and 10 is the highest. You have to scale it if this is something that is unhealthy and healthy. So, or it is something that is needs to address and less likely to address. So you have to rate it according to how you feel about that specific category. After assessing on the needs that you need to address, let's move now to the last part, which is what are the things that you have learned from the past years. So these are the things that you have acquired from your experience, from your education, from being in a relationship, from working, from other people, from reading books. Write down the major lessons that you have learned from the past years that really improved you a lot for who you are right now. So I hope you've learned a lot from this video, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below or share your insights, and make sure to follow me in my other social media account. If you have not watched my other videos, I will leave them here, and I will see you in the next episode on reviewing and reflecting and preparing for 2019. I wish you all the best and Happy New Year.